After spending a few days in Branson, Missouri getting my condo back in order, after 182 days of renovations following water damage from a unit above, I'm about to leave Branson to head home. But before leaving, as promised, I'm going to give you a full tour of the condo. When I first arrived, the renovations were finished, but everything from the cabinets needed cleaning and returning to the cabinets, and decorations and wall hangings needed to be put back into place. During renovations, insulation and ceilings were replaced in the living room, dining room, and kitchen, along with all kitchen cabinets and countertops, and the flooring in the living room and dining room. All overhead lighting and ceiling fans were also replaced in these rooms. After I got everything in order, let's start our tour in the kitchen.
Well, let's take a look inside the cabinets. Inside this cabinet over the refrigerator is the crock pot. Then right beside the refrigerator up on top there's some wine glasses, some coffee cups, some additional coffee mugs here. Looks like a cheese grater, a measuring cup, and some Easy Mac macaroni and cheese. Down below we have the coffee maker, complete with coffee and filters back there. Really pretty cabinet tops we got here. Cabinets below. Let's see, in that drawer we have, looks like pot lifters. Down below we have some cooking pans and some cooking oil. Here's the stove. Up above the microwave, and up there above the microwave see some various spices and some original Pam. And we'll move over here to this next cabinet. There is glassware, some bowls both with handles and without, some large and small plates. Down below is cutlery and toaster. Open the drawer below here. Here are cooking utensils of various sorts. Also see the mixer blades. Down below we have a mixer, a blender, and some baking pans. Looks like a muffin pan, a metal pan, and a glass pan. Around right behind, in the area below the cabinet, we have some nice glass bowls, some Corning bowls, some plasticware, a pitcher. Looks like a mixing bowl back there. Coming up here, we have this nice large drawer. There is the silverware, some placemats, some various kinds of aluminum and plastic wraps. A few other utensils like can openers, ice cream scoops, looks like wine bottle openers, a butter knife. Under the sink we have all the cleaning things, the fire extinguisher. There's the sink, a napkin holder. Over on top of the cabinet we have Alexa. Paper towel holder. As you can see, it's pretty well stocked. So here's the new cabinets and countertops. The entryway. Inside here is a washer and dryer. And if you'll pardon my stuff laying around, I'll go ahead and show you the master bedroom, king-size bed we've got in here. This has not been renovated. We hope to do that one day, especially now that the other part has been done. It's pretty roomy. Again, pardon my junk, but we have a dresser over there with a mirror, 6 drawers, plenty of room. Also over there by the bed, we have a bed stand with a couple more drawers. The chair is here that I have all of my pillows piled on. Let's go over here and look out the window. Let me open these blinds. See, we have a really nice view out there toward Branson, toward the golf course. You can tell I'm taking this on another day than I was taking the originals. It's not raining now, it's a beautiful day. Over here, there is actually a door. I don't generally use it, but it goes out onto the patio as well. Also has a view. It's blocked by this big piece of wood down here. Small TV up there. Walk-in closet. I'm about to leave, so I don't have much in here right now. Extra linens, pillows, etc. Goes back out toward the living room that way. Also has a door. Let me go out here. We'll come in this way into the bathroom. And we have this door over here on this side that opens into the bedroom. So you can close it off, especially at night, and use it as a master bath from the bedroom itself. This little sink area, a big jetted tub and shower. In the back porch area with views of the golf course and one of the holes, a couple of the holes, and tee box, and the lake down there. It's a nice view. And then back toward Branson, where we can see buildings on the strip, including out there the building that's WonderWorks. I am glad to have it all back operational. The blue color you're seeing is not really blue. It's due to the light. I don't have the lights turned on in here. That wall is very much a pale gray. Same as this one. And here's our front bedroom. It's actually a lockout bedroom that we could do separately. We don't do that very much. Actually, we've never done it at this point. Has its own pull-out couch that makes into a queen bed. A king bed over here. Still got some of our vacuum cleaners and sweepers sitting here. One of the things people like here in this bedroom is this dressing area that's separate from the bathroom, which is over here. The bathroom is also a tub and shower, and toilet. This bedroom also has a TV. Its own closet over there to the left, and the door to the outside, which we mostly just keep locked and don't use. And of course, the door back into the living room.
And that's the condo. If you want more information about rentals and availability, go to findushere.com/Branson Condo. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this kind of content, like the video, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment to let us know what you think. We invite you to join us on our website at findushere.com, as well as on Facebook, Instagram, and Patreon. Meanwhile, check out this video next for more travel fun, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our new content. Your subscription is always free, helps us grow the channel, and is always greatly appreciated.